Today I'm making a super delicious pasta with peas with you. Really easy, of course, as usual, my way. Make it with me. Let's get started. So first of all, I'm going to make the broth. So in a pot, I put the carrots, then I add the onion, then I add the celery, always chopping it roughly, then I add the water, a bit of oil, a bit of salt, so be careful when salting the pasta later. A tablespoon of double concentrated tomato paste. Either you add a bit of tomato puree or you leave it plain like this. I put it on the stove and let it cook for at least 3035 minutes. At this point, I take care of the sauté base. So you chop a bit of onion, then you chop some celery. I cut a small piece of carrots. And then I add some extra virgin olive oil to a pan. By the way, I remind you that you can find my 2 cookbooks only on Amazon. Search for Carlo Gaiano recipe book and you'll get them in at most 2 days. Add the freshly chopped vegetables. Be careful when you do this, as I always tell you. Use the back of the knife and not the blade if you want to avoid eating plastic or wood from the cutting board. I saute it a bit. After that, I add the peas. Use frozen ones, but you can use fresh ones, canned ones, unopened, whichever you prefer. Let's move it a bit. I adjust the salt. I add a bit of pepper. I add 4 or 5 ladles of broth. And over high heat, I cook for 30-35 minutes. As for the broth, instead, I lower the heat and keep it here on the side. Nice and hot, just perfect. After 35 minutes, I blend it a bit. And since it's boiling, I add the pasta and I let it cook, adding more broth that I have here next to me. It's boiling hot. Here we go, only as needed. You see, you often ask me how I know how to adjust things. To keep it from getting too soupy, it's very simple. Just add the broth little by little, only as needed. Okay, now 2 minutes before the end of cooking, I turn off the heat and let it rest for 5-6 minutes. Perfect. Now I add a little bit of pepper. After one last stir, and I plate it. So, let's see. Oh my, what do I see, Savasta? Try it. And let me know what you think in the comments below. For now, I'll say goodbye, and as usual, before I leave you, I want to wish you a good meal.